is my pleasure to welcome Barbara to our chat today. Now, Barbara is the chair and founder of the charity Daring to Dream, which is in partnership with the Seren Festival and is to do with wellness. So I'd like to invite Barbara to tell us a little bit about the charity, please.
Thanks ever so much. Yeah, we're a pretty new Welsh charity, ambitious, I think it'd be fair to say, and hence one reason why the name Daring to Dream. So our mission is about supporting the emotional health and well-being of adults in Wales living with long-standing illness. And it's a huge number of people, absolutely huge. I mean, statistically, there's about 1.2 million people in Wales living with long-standing illness. It's staggering, isn't it?
Yes, that is a staggering statistic.
And the thing is, when any of us are ill, whether it's acute or a chronic condition or something that becomes palliative or whatever, we experience the illness not just physically, but also emotionally.
Yes.
And so, the fab people across all the clinics in the NHS, they're here to help us all clinically, diagnose stuff, treat us, look after us, keep an eye on us and everything.
Yeah.
But actually, we've also got to look after how we respond to everything emotionally.
Yes.
And that's what the charity is about. So we're shining a light on it because it's not an agenda much discussed. And people who live with long-standing illness can become very socially isolated.
Yes,
because they haven't got the health or the energy or even the finances to particularly be out and about.
Yeah.
And the second thing we're doing is we're transforming certain rooms within hospitals one at a time.
Yes,
we're creating safe spaces. The interior design, absolutely non-clinical.
Oh, lovely.
Beautiful wallpaper, bright colours,
lovely.
Nice furniture.
Yeah.
So it's like the quiet rooms, the relatives rooms and the patient day rooms. And then the third thing we do is about facilitating activities that support an individual's well-being.
Yes, yes.
So a lot of this weekend, this is one of the reasons why we're delighted to be a charity partner of Seren Poetry Festival, was because we're really exploring perhaps working collaboratively with Seren and some of its authors about arranging to provide workshops where people maybe can write about their feelings.
Yes, yes.
Workshops where people, it could be a book club or it could be about writing poetry, things that help people who can't get out and about use their imagination and kind of process what they feel, but in a very safe environment. So not therapy, but much more about emotional health and well-being, and generally supporting and listening to each other, and a nice creative activity.
Oh, that absolutely sounds wonderful, and it's so important for you to be doing this. If someone is watching and would like to get involved with the charity, what can they do?
We would love people to get involved or to get in touch and give us ideas or suggest rooms that need making over. They simply go to the website daringtodream.wales. We've got a contact form, we've got an email address, we've got a phone number. We're on Twitter as well.
Excellent.
Daring to Dream 5, Facebook, Daring to Dream
You're
5,
everywhere.
Instagram, Daring to Dream 5. I think we're just Daring to Dream on LinkedIn.
Excellent. So you can just put it into Google then, and it will bring up all the places.
Yeah.
And I know that you're Cardiff based, but do you work across the whole of Wales?
Well, our registered address, in theory, is Cardiff, but we are a pan-Wales charity.
Excellent.
We've begun room transformations within Cardiff and the Vale because it's been really good to begin somewhere, and we're just beginning to discuss arrangements, potentially one or two things in other health boards, and to begin to spread our wings.
Excellent. Oh, well, congratulations for everything you've done up till now. Best of luck with everything moving forward. The fact that you're partnered here with the Seren Festival is fantastic.
Oh, it's been fantastic.
It really has. And I know yesterday I was actually in a discussion and a workshop with you, which felt really, really proactive. So again, where can people get information from?
It's all about going to daringtodream.wales. That's the key
Excellent.
thing.
Thank you so much for the chat today, Barbara.
Oh, thank you. Thanks ever so much.